guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very rainy day in North Carolina. We are going to ride a train. I am already soaked because I did not have this umbrella that I'm currently under or a poncho 5 minutes ago, and we had to dip into a gift shop to get them. But we are here at the Great Smoky Mountain Railroad in Bryson City, and we are going on a train ride. I am so excited. We did a train last year in Chattanooga, and today we are here to do the one in North Carolina. So here's to hoping that I won't get wet anymore today and that we will have a fun-filled day. So we are about to board the train. We are walking down to where we're supposed to get on at, and then we'll be on. So let's get started. We are officially on. We are walking to the end. They let us on a different spot of the train since it's raining and lightning. We just gotta navigate to the front or the back. Whatever it is, I think it's the back. And so we made it on. We're on the train. We are in open air. It's raining. I hope it doesn't rain hard anymore, because if it does, it's just gonna right into the window. And I know this. Okay, you can see that the seats are from the last time it rained. And we are also at the very back. So that is the tail end. That way is the front. And I'm hoping that this one is going to be like the one in Chattanooga, where when they turn around and have the layover, that the train actually ends up on the other side. So that means that we would be in the front. Hopefully. That is my logic. Whether that's true or not, I don't know, but we're going to find out. Alright, and I forgot to mention that this is the Nantahala Gorge Excursion. It is a 4.5, 44-mile round trip departing here in Bryson City, North Carolina. We're going to traverse through Fontana Lake and Fontana Trestle. It follows the Nantahala River into the gorge with a 1-hour layover in Nantahala Outdoor Center. And we are moving slowly.
Good morning, everybody!
Good morning!
A lot better. I'm Jim, the storyteller. I'm going to be on board today. I'll be making my way from the back to front on the train ride. My job is to make sure that if you have any questions whatsoever, that they get answered. Let's say you look out the portals right there. You got a question about something you see. You got a question about the train, about the mountains, about the people around them. Any question whatsoever, you don't hesitate to ask me. The only thing you need to keep in mind is this, that I was born and bred in the mountains. If you ask me a question, I don't know the answer to it, I'm going to make something up. You ain't going to know the difference. I am that good. I was born and bred in these mountains. We appreciate you coming on here. The Appalachian Mountains are the oldest mountains in the world. They were formed 500 million years ago. I know that. I was just a young child back then. 500 million years ago, two continents come together. When the two continents come together, there was an earth upheaval on the west coast and one on the east coast. Out on the west coast, the Rocky Mountains was formed. On the east coast, the Appalachians were formed. They stretch all the way from Maine to Birmingham, Alabama. They at one time were the highest mountains in the world. But there are 4 glacial activities that took place to cause the hard rock of the north to come down here on the south and cause these mountains to shrink. But down here in the southern Appalachians, where you are today, there are 27 mountain peaks that are over 5,000 feet tall. And I know that for a fact also, because I've climbed to the top of each and every one of them at least 5 times. And Mount Mitchell, 6,681 feet, highest point east of the Mississippi River. I've been to the top of it 7 times. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I will be making my way front and back and telling you stories about my people, my mountains. Right now I want y'all to get excited. So I'm going to do the hip hip thing. You're going to do the hooray thing. If you don't do the hooray thing right the first time, we just going to do it again. So get ready. Hip hip!
spot where my car is parked now. I asked Tristan, I was like, make sure you lock the car, right? Because if not, now's the chance to do it. Passing another train. You could almost read. Hey, why are those seats nicer? It is very close. If I reached out far enough, I could touch it, but at the same time, that hurt a lot. Here tells you how long these trains are. Oh, it looks like ours. Passing over a bridge now. How long the train is. So we can't even see the front.
Today, Fontana Lake is a popular tourist destination, attracting boaters, swimmers, fishermen, and more.
Alright, so apparently we're about to go across a bridge that is how high?
180 feet.
180 feet. I didn't know that's what I was getting into when I signed up for this train ride, but alright. Alright, here comes the bridge. I'm gonna have to duck inside a little bit because I don't want to get decapitated by oncoming bridge. Better get that phone inside. That bridge is pretty close. There's 2 jet skis. Oh, what in the world? There's your smoke. Finally see the front of the train. What kind of smoke?
notice our engineers slow our speed just a bit. That's because we are approaching a very sharp curve, one of the sharpest curves here on the Murphy Branch line. Running from Asheville, North Carolina at milepost 0 to its namesake of Murphy, North Carolina at milepost 114.5. And we are about at the 78 milepost. We call this the 78 curve. We'll maintain a restricted speed of 5 miles per hour until the entire train is through and on the other side. At that time, we'll be back up to track speed and on our way into the Nantahala River Gorge.
It is absolutely pouring down rain. There is a snack car, so we are going to make our way up to it as well and see if we can find us a little snack. Going through the big freaking waterfall.
Alright everyone, we just passed through the Nantahala Outdoor Center a little while ago. I'm sure you noticed that. The NOC, that'll be the site of our layover here in a little while.
Is there another one? No freaking way. Are you kidding me? Bruh. Oh my god. I just got dry.
Maybe a 5 to 10 minute walk each direction, dependent upon where you are seated in our train. So keep that in mind.
We're gonna make our way back to the seats that we moved up to. Alright, we have made it back to our table seats. We got some session food, nachos, corn dog, and this is a pretzel. We're going. I'm absolutely soaked again because of the leaking between the cars. So I'm gonna eat. Hopefully dry again. Got some rafters. So I didn't know this, and I'm glad that we didn't do it, but apparently these white water rafters were on the train, and now they're heading back to the depot. Because you can take like the train halfway, and then you can do white water rafting, zip lining, or a jeep tour back. I'm sure that the white water rafting and the zip lining are not the entire way, but I'm not sure how all that works.
Are y'all happy? Y'all happy? I'm sorry. And y'all know it? You know you're happy, and you know it, right? You know it? We gotta test this theory out, though. I'm gonna get up. Are you by yourself? Okay, I'm gonna just be a little crazy person. Alright, if you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. You're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you're really out of show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy
reason we have come to a complete stop. Okay, so we stopped for a good few minutes, and now we're going backwards for some unknown reason. We have made it back to our original spots, and I was thinking about it, and I think because they were asking if anybody was doing the outdoor stuff on the way back, like they were going up the train asking everybody like if they were part of that. And so I think what might have happened is they let those people off, and now we are heading back to where the layover is supposed to be. That's my thought logic. If it was something else, I have no idea, but that's kind of what I'm putting together. There is also hardly anybody back here now. Like there's like one family to this side and then one guy over there. Like one family here and one guy over there, and that's it. Then you know, of course. We have made it to the overlay, I believe it's called. So we have an hour. There was supposed to be some restaurants nearby that we could eat at, but I think I'm already a little bit full from train food, so I'm not sure what or if we're going to be doing anything, but we'll find out, I guess. The Polar Express. I'm assuming that this train must be on the Polar Express when they do that one. I'm thinking that when we get back on the train, we should enter from whatever side, like whichever door is first open, so that we can experience like what the whole train looks like on the inside. And maybe also dodge these puddles. My socks are wet again. Finally get to see what the front of the train looks like.
How's the weather up there?
Nice and toasty. We're 1702. Welcome to Nantahala Outdoor Center. Paddling school, learn how to kayak and do other water activities. Go over here to this adventure center thing and see what that's about. I do have a little bit of a gift shop going on here. Nantahala Outdoor Center shirts. Glasses. Things that like go on the glasses to help you not lose them. Oh no, that's cool. That's a water carrier. You just attach that to the lid. That's cool. Some more shirts. Pieces. Check out these two.
way.
I want to see if this cookie place takes cards. If so, I might get something for me and Tristan. Yeah, so I did get a couple of goodies from that sweet lady. The name of her business is Maple Springs Confection, and she's a really nice lady. She said that she always puts exactly 20 chocolate chips into every single cookie so that everybody gets their fair share. So if you want to go support a lovely old lady, check her out on Facebook. I didn't really want to record her. I didn't ask her if she was okay with being on camera, so out of respect, I kind of just kept her off of the camera. But her name is, oh sorry, I didn't get her name, but the name of her company is Maple Springs Confection. And when I get back to the train and get seated, I will show you guys what it is that I got. So apparently the train is cut off somewhere halfway, I guess, to keep people from being not where they're supposed to be. We gotta walk through this. We're out. And we have made it back to our spots on the train. This is the chocolate chip cookie with exactly 20 chocolate chips in it. And then I also got a bag of the smoked maple glazed pecans. And here is the name of her bakery. It's Maple Springs Confectionery. Handmade in small batches in the mountains of western North Carolina. Organic maple syrup, maple brown sugar, hickory smoked maple syrup, vanilla, and natural flavorings. And then there is her website as well. So we are at the front now. So it's not the steam train that's at the front. They just left that at the front. Really go backwards. No, this one is pulling us forward. Of it, which is what's pulling us right now, is a lot faster than the steam train. The steam one was not necessarily slow. It felt more. shop. They have a very large scale exhibit. It's pretty cool. Toy trains. One passing right here in front of us. And then here's another one coming back up in front of the depot. I like this. It's a little drive-in movie theater. They're showing the train as the train passes by. And they have just all kinds of different small trains here on display as well. They're electric. We also have a model of the California Zephyr. But do they have Hogwarts? Now that would be cool if they had Hogwarts. Here's another. Oh, that one's going fast. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's not going. Oh, now the big one's going. Oh, they got a tornado going on over there too. Okay, now I see. I didn't notice this. There's push me buttons and they cause different things to happen. So let's see what this one does. Okay, this one makes the man come out. And then this one says flying model plane. Let's see a plane. Oh, right there. Tracking. So that's not doing anything. Oh, scale freight. Oh, that's me. I activated that train right there. This is so cool. I love this. This one says O scale train, so we're looking for a train. I think no, I don't see it on anything. Oh, yep, this one right here. Just gotta hold it long enough. Next one is swing red. These swings right here. Oh, it just turns the light on. It doesn't make it move. Juice scale mixed train. Oh, this one right here. Flashing crossing sign. It's right here. Football stadium, right? Oh, right. brush fire. I assume it's this one right here. Duck shooting gallery. Over here. Oh, it's actually moving. The things are actually like spinning. Banjo signal. I'm not sure what that is. I see no banjo signal. This is like a scavenger hunt almost. Oh, look at the little one. Why no town people?
Gracias. Oh, tug of war. Yeah.
Let's see this one doing anything. So this one, that's the thing. Wait.
Water train or something like that.
Yes, I am actually.
Look how fast it has to move. That's fuck.
This is fun. I love this. All American Scrambler. I couldn't find that one. And oh, this one's the tornado. There goes the tornado. It's what? Apparently he found this one. No, it's not.
Really? And why does the tug of war work on the way?
Oh. Okay. No way there's another one. Now what does this do? What, is it going to do anything? Anything happening? I don't think anything's happening. What about this side? Oh, that one's going. Oh, that one's going fast. Fast as heck, boy.
We've seen everything.
How did you make it go in reverse? This is fun. They even have a little scavenger hunt thing that you can do. There's like 38 of them. He was about to not let me see the last one. Doesn't do anything. Oh, they even got some sailboats. I love the big trains. I don't know how I did not. Almost did not see those. Great Smoky Mountain Railroad. Denver and Rio Grande Railroad. We even got some itty bitty tiny railroads. World's greatest locomotives. This one just caught my eye. It's a Tootsie Roll. This one's carrying some classic cars. They even have a train on the ceiling. Just circling the gift shop. Hey guys, that concludes our trip to the Great Smoky Mountain Railroad here in Bryson City. Don't forget that you can also check me out on TikTok and Instagram as well to follow along on all of my adventures. Thank you guys so much. And us signing out. Bye.